Have you ever wondered how your data stays safe when you send an email or log in to your favorite app? The answer lies in encryption, a powerful tool that protects your digital life. Encryption is the process of converting information into a coded format to prevent unauthorized access using keys to scramble readable data into unreadable text. The concept dates back to ancient times with methods like Caesar's cipher. Modern encryption began with the invention of computers and algorithms like DES and RSA. Symmetric encryption uses the same key for encryption and decryption, while asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys. Hashing converts data into a fixed length value. Always opt for AES 256 encryption for high security. Ensure websites use HTTPS with SSL/TLS protocols for encrypted communication. Applications like WhatsApp use end-to-end encryption to protect user data during transmission. Secure your encryption keys separately from encrypted data. It's important to regularly update encryption algorithms to stay ahead of vulnerabilities and update your software to the latest standards. Use strong passwords with at least 12 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common passwords like 123456 or password. Tools like LastPass or Bitwarden securely store and generate complex passwords. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Educate employees about identifying phishing attacks and enforce password policies to require regular password changes. Use passphrases like Purple Apples 23 instead of predictable passwords. Store passwords in a secure password manager to avoid writing them down. Always verify the sender's email address and avoid clicking on links from unknown sources to avoid phishing scams. Encrypt sensitive files before sharing them via email or cloud storage to ensure data security. The Equifax breach in 2017 exposed the data of 147 million people due to weak security protocols, highlighting the need for better encryption. Organizations like Apple use encryption to secure user data on iPhones and iCloud, demonstrating successful encryption practices. Remember, encryption is like a digital lock on your information, and strong password practices are the keys to that lock. Thank you for watching. Have you ever fallen victim to a phishing attack or struggled with password security? Share your experiences in the comments.